What's up guys, it's Anita back again with another video. Thank you so much for coming back again for more content. And if you have never been here before, my name is Anita. I'm a mom of two who trades in the foreign exchange market. My journey started let's say early 2020 and is still going strong. I don't think I'll be doing anything else other than trading for some, or rather most of the rest of my life. So welcome to my channel where I talk about my journey and my learnings and my wins within the trading industry. So today I want to talk about how to deal with losses that you experience while trading. Everybody knows trading does not come with 100% accuracy. Even the gods of trading, those 6, 7, 8 figure earners, always say that their strategies are either 85 or 90% accurate, because you don't always win in the market. Okay, so if you do win in the market, good for you, but some of us still continue to suffer some losses within the market, and I want to just talk about how to deal with that. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is learn how to take a punch. So once you suffer the loss, you have to understand that it is not a defining moment. Take the punch, catch your breath, fall down if you need to fall down, cry if you need to cry, and then get back up again, because once you're able to learn from that particular punch, then you know exactly what you did wrong and what you will not do again. So every loss within the industry, or every loss while trading, is literally a learning. And I know a lot of people hear this and they're like rolling their eyes. They're like, oh, losses, learning. That's literally what it is. Trading, or winning in trading, is just learning a strategy or learning a way of doing it that continues to be successful each and every time you try it. So once you get something that wins, or once you learn something that works, then you keep doing it and keep perfecting it till you find a better way. Okay, so that is literally what trading is. So once you learn from your losses, then you're able to get back up again and start to win. Okay, and okay, obviously it's 90% win, but it's still a win. All right, something else that I will tell you to do is take responsibility. So once you know what you did wrong, you have to remember that nobody else has been trading for you. Okay, so you are responsible for whatever you decide to place as a trade within your trading platform. So nobody else traded for you, nobody else's idea. And if it was someone else's idea, then you have to take the responsibility of saying that I took that idea and used it as my own and put it within my platform, and it ended up in a loss. So always remember to take responsibility for your actions. If you are the one who put in that trade, or if you are the one who analyzed that chart, then you're able to learn from each and everything that you did and do better next time. Something else that I want to talk about is when you lose many times, a lot of the time, if you're losing, or if you're, if you're bombing your account, like you keep losing money until you crash your account several times, then maybe trading is not for you. I know it's a hard thing to accept, but trading is not actually for everybody. If you don't have the discipline to learn what works and keep doing the wrong thing over and over, maybe it's time to step back and maybe find either an alternative trade, or trade in terms of thing to do, or an alternative strategy. So either completely step back from your live account and go back to your demo until you find a strategy that has been working for the last maybe 10 out of 15 trades were wins within that strategy. I think that's a good 75% is a good accuracy rate to work with. Okay, so if you've been bombing your account over and over, I think you should step back completely, either from trading or from that particular trading strategy. There are very many trading strategies out there. All you have to do is do your research and find somebody who has a strategy that has been working for them. And even with that, you still have the element of person. It's per person. So what's been working for them might not work for you. So you still have to remember the human element that is you. And if you cannot, and nobody is the same, so not everything is gonna work the same for everybody. So always remember the subjective side of Forex and the objective side, which means that We are all in the same market, but we are all different people, right? Then maybe something or another way you can deal with losses is just remember not to be trading money that you don't have. If this is your last coin, I do not suggest that you put it in the market thinking that the outcome is gonna be doubling your account or tripling your account. A lot of the time in the beginning you're gonna lose a lot of money, and that money is not the money you try with, okay? Once you become really good at Forex, and I'm telling you that even people who've been doing it for 3 years would not consider themselves good. Once you've been trading in the foreign exchange market for a long time, then you can be able to use it as a means to grow an account, or rather grow an account exponentially. But if you're just starting off, start with very little money. Always remember to put your stop loss at a manageable point and lower your risk. Whatever you thought your risk was going to be today, just lower it by half out of respect. I know I say that a lot, but this is from trial and error, okay, and learnings. So just remember to always lower your lot size and only use money that you are willing to lose in the first place, okay? Then learn from your mistakes. Always review, always be a student. Just keep reviewing, keep studying, okay? And then you'll be able to translate your learnings into a practicality thereafter. So the last thing that I'm gonna say in best ways to go through, or rather to go through a loss or experience a loss and get through to the other side of it, is always remember to meditate. I always go back to your vibrations. You know, whatever energy you give something is almost always the same energy you get back. So if you dwell within the loss, within the negative, then you shall probably remain there for a very long time. What you have to do is raise your vibration, either meditate, find a wavelength, or find company, or find a community that continues to be positive and continues to learn and continues to have some sort of teamwork and camaraderie within the industry. Then you'll be able to always stay positive, stay close to the fire, you'll always be warm. So that negative feeling will always turn into positive once you realize that you're not alone, you're not the only one making losses, everybody does. And once you're able to know that, you completely remove yourself from that feeling, you completely remove the emotion from it, and remember that this is not again a defining moment. It will get better with time, with consistency and hard work. The learnings are in the losses, so you just continue to learn from them and translate, or rather move those losses into wins, and thereafter you'll be able to get to the other side of trading, which is the positive side, which is the happy side, which is the withdrawal side of trading, okay? So that's all I had to say today, and I hope that will help the next person who's been experiencing losses. Just remember to remove yourself. Remember, you're a small fish, and that we're not the only ones making losses. Everybody does. The market doesn't always do what we want it to do, and sometimes you have to remember that you are responsible. So always take responsibility and keep it pushing, okay? So that's all I had for today. Have a good day and be blessed. See ya.